Hey guys, so I am in Houston. I just got back like 4 hours ago. I took a nap and then I quickly got ready because I'm going to this pop-up shop tonight. Yeah, you guys, I'm here for another wedding. That's why I came to Houston. So we're gonna do a round two, okay? We're gonna do a round two, and if you haven't seen last week's vlog, go ahead and watch last week's vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys out with me. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Oh my goodness, you guys, like I cannot stand traffic. I can't stand, anyways, y'all, so I'm not even on my way to the event yet. I'm literally stopping at the mall because I need to pick up some things from Sephora. Oh, it's cold, it's windy, I'm in a rush. People just driving like they ain't got no destinies. Like, can you move faster? And I gotta pick up the stuff. But yeah, I'm at Memorial City Mall. I just need to pick up a few items from Sephora. I should have done it yesterday, but my dress that I've had made for this wedding took a little bit longer, so my store that I was gonna go to that I work at in San Antonio had already closed, so I was like, I'll just get it when I'm in Houston. So here I am. I feel a little more comfortable vlogging in public. I mean, people looking at me, but I don't give a damn. Gonna need one of these. Need another brush cleaner, and ooh, they changed packaging. Another one of these. Where's your Anastasia?
She rolls over.
Oh, okay, see it. Thank you. And I'm out of this as well too. Y'all, I was in and out of here. Got my purchase. Now I got to be on my way. People in real life just looking like, what is this girl doing? It's okay. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about all of that, okay? Please. So I'm headed to the event now. I always forget how much I hate downtown, of any downtown in any city, until I get downtown. Like, I hate the way people drive. I hate the way the streets are set up. And, yeah, that's all I got to say. That's all I got to complain about right now. But I'm here. So, yeah, let's get it. Y'all see her right there? I saw her see me calling her, and she answered her phone. Expose yourself. I saw you see my call. I was on the road. Yes, you. Hey.
I didn't have my phone again.
Say hey to my say hey to my channel.
What up, y'all?
Hey.
Are you looking for your YouTube?
Yeah. Y'all, I should have ate my left my house.
Everybody trying to fuck it, but I'm fine with it. Never mind, that's just you. I know you were talking shit. You know they gon' hate.
You guys, my dress is too tight.
We ain't got time for this.
Say hey to my channel.
Hey, Whitney's channel. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe now because she's I'm gonna put some on.
Wait, why are you taking this way?
Which way should I take?
It's Highway 6.
Yeah. Wait, no, it's on Beach Nut. It's not on Highway 6.
DIC's on Beach Nut by Taylor. My old high school.
That's me.
Y'all, the waiting starts at 12 o'clock. What time is it?
It's Whitney. I can guarantee you.
It's 12:04.
$1.5 million.
I know, but I want a good seat. But as long as they got monitors, because I want to be able to get all the views of everything.
You gonna get a good seat, girl.
But anyways, when we get to the wedding.
So tell us about your wedding, Whitney.
Well, let's first find a man, and then we'll get to that part.
Let me tell you guys something. For all those looking for a man, just keep your legs closed right now because men value gills who are not loosed out there. Okay? Be a virtuous woman.
Don't spawn the kids.
Don't sin, because sinners end up in hell.
Okay, we'll see you guys at the wedding. Hey, how are you? Thank you. You guys, the wedding was beautiful yet again. Woo! Now it's time to see if I can get some like bomb pictures. And it was on time. It was on time, y'all. I know. Ooh, I'm gonna be in my vlog so people can see how fire you look. You can't even see anything. There's so much sun.
Face by Whitney. I don't even think I'm in it.
Beat by me. Beat by
The sun
me.
is so much. I'm literally like.
Okay.
Right? Here is Miss Whitney Morty in full fest. Back in Paris. We have a little back, a little bit of front, a little bit of side. Yo, fada.
Not to me, to my channel.
Oh, hi. Channel. Welcome to Houston. Emmanuel and Esther.
He definitely lives in New York.
Is it finally on the Mickey or is
We got people from abroad.
what's their like their catchphrase or their hashtag?
Is it E and E?
Well, they both had EA as initials.
Nothing making up stuff.
E squared, EA.
No. You okay, what's the name of my vlog, y'all?
Yes. First time making an appearance on Ask Whitney.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay.
Don't worry, I'm making cameos. That's coming in and out, you know. So.
How bad I'm eating. Look how bad I'm eating. All sense of keto has gone out the window and out of Snickers. But I'm so hungry, and like her reception, her reception is an hour out. Yeah, the wedding reception is in Tomball, Texas. So it's like an hour.
Turn left onto Adams Clodian Road.
At least it's not in like San Antonio. Can you imagine?
No, it's an hour out from where we're at, and I am hungry. And I've just decided that when I'm like out of town, I'm just not gonna eat keto because I don't want to.
Don't nobody care, Whitney.
Turn left onto Adams Clodian Road.
No one.
Okay.
Part 2.
Y'all, them chips are so good.
Can we have some chips?
Of course. Them chips are so good. Now I'm about to take a nap. How much more time we got before we get there?
We have 20 minutes.
Really?
33.
Yo, I don't know why these pimples like just keep showing up on wedding day. Like if y'all saw in my last vlog, it was there.
Are you having period?
No.
That's my mom.
Anyways, I'm about to take a nap, y'all, before the festivities.
Hi, mommy. You're on speaker.
This is cute.
All right.
How are you? Oh, she said they're on the right near the stage. Oh, good morning, you guys. Last night was fun, but I am on my way back to San Antonio. Okay. I'm on my way back to San Antonio. Y'all, I am tired. It is, what time is it? It is, come on, it's 8:51 in the morning. So I'm about to head back to San Antonio, and yeah, because I want to take my braids out today, so I want to give myself enough time because I need to wash my hair. I've had these braids officially for 3 months. They lasted really well. The lady who does my hair does such a good job, but I miss my hair and it needs to be washed and everything. So yeah, you guys, I'll talk to you guys when I get back to San Antonio. I'm about to fill my tank up, pick up some breakfast, and hit this 2.5 hour drive. So I'll see you guys soon. You guys, it's all out. My head, took my braids out. Whew, it's time for me to go ahead and wash and detangle. So let's see where my hair is at. All right, here. Oh my gosh. This took, I started at like 1 o'clock, it's 5 o'clock. So it took about 4 hours. And it's about to take another 3 hours to go ahead and properly detangle my hair, wash it, condition it, deep condition it, style it. Well, I'm gonna do a wash and go, but like I'm gonna like try to define it. Like, look at all this hair that's shedding. But this is normal because I've had these braids in for 3 months. excited to see my curls. Just wash my hair. So this is where my hair is at. Right here. Let's do a back lip check. So yeah, right here. So I'm gonna be 3 years natural next year, February, and I'm gonna go ahead and get my hair straightened for the first time since I like started going natural. And I'm only gonna straighten it because I really want to get like a proper trim and just to see like do a length check or whatever. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I look crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I need to go ahead and start washing my hair, start like my whole hair process. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Ooh, throw my hair up into a little bun. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. I think my next video is gonna be a makeup tutorial or a try on haul. I bought some stuff from Fashion Nova, so I think either or. It might be a tutorial using the new Juvia's Place palette, but I'm gonna do both. I just don't know which one's gonna go up first. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.